Welcome back to GearUpWindows YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to enable or disable a Spatial Sound in Windows 11. A Spatial Sound is an advanced audio feature that creates an immersive 3D sound experience without requiring a special hardware. It makes audio feel like it's coming from all directions, left, right, above and behind, just like real life. Windows 11 includes built-in a special audio feature that can enhance how sound is delivered on your PC. This feature works best with headphones and supported apps. To enable or disable this one, a special audio feature, first click on this one start button, then click settings. After that, select system in the left sidebar. On the right, click on this one sound tile. After that, select your audio device. After that, click on this one to expand it. Now scroll down to the bottom and up to this one advanced settings. After that, you will find this one a Spatial Sound. By default, it will remain turned off. Click on this one drop down menu and select this one Windows Sonic for headphones to enable a Spatial Sound on your Windows 11 PC. That's all about this video. Bye.